Hey guys, welcome to Junior's Art, and today I'm drawing Gekko from PJ Mask. But at the beginning I wanna say that if you are a new viewer of my channel, then don't forget to subscribe cause we upload new videos every week. And here you can see you have to use your compass to make a circle. Now just mark like this to draw his face. You can use your ruler here, but I'm using my pencil. Pretty good. This is the the base of Gekko. Now I'm drawing his eyes. It has so many layers. And his eyebrows. Perfect. Wow. There is some horns in his body. Okay, the face is nicely done. Now I'm drawing his hand. Looking good. Another hand. Okay. His legs. Let's do the outline. Wow! I have outlined all over the areas, and I have cleaned all the pencil marks that we don't need. And you noticed that I have used a little gray color around his eyeballs, and I have two colors. One is lighter green and one is a little deep green. So I'm using the lighter one for his horns and some covered areas in his body. I think I should color his feet and tail also. Wow, he's looking amazing. Now it's time to fill all over his body with a deep green color. Wow, he's looking amazing. Using the light green color over the gray color, and now he's looking more cute. Just using a little pale orange in his exposed areas. Wow, this is how you can draw Gekko within few minutes, and thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video episode, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.